This is the Aidek mini fridge and it is super compactable, cute, and functional. So as you can see here at the top, you have a handle so you can easily take it from place to place if you have to. It can even connect to your car, which is super cool. To open it up, you actually have to twist the handle to open the locking mechanism. And I have the cable right here to connect it, so it does connect to a regular outlet. It is super easy to use and there's so much inside to talk about. So first you have this corner right here where you can place face masks, but everything in here that you see inside is totally removable, so you can really adjust it to whatever you want. Even the shelves can be removed themselves and the middle one as well, so you can have this ton of space, or you can add in the shelves to really separate all your products. Great for skincare, or if you just want to keep some nice and cool water by your desk, by your nightstand, you can do that as well, or maybe a couple cans of soda. And on the back, you're going to see that there's not even one setting, there's two. You can either cool it or make it warm. So it's truly great. Whatever you want to do, Aidek is there for you. It is super compactable and great, and they have different colors as well, but I absolutely fell in love with this pink one. You can check them out on Amazon.